afternoon, I thought I would just create a little video that would explain a little bit on how to use the binder and how to link things to the binder so that we all can be on the same page. So this is the chemistry binder, which looks very similar to the anatomy and physiology binder. So if you're in that class, you can follow the same video. So we're in week 1 over here. In the intro tasks, you all have the same learning target. The task cards can all be found here if you, for some reason, can't find the link somewhere else, which will open the task card that you are working on for that section. So for example, the task card 0 for chem opens when I click on that link. If you go over to this section, the Your Binder Work, this is where you are going to hyperlink your work so that I can see it before you turn in your binder. Binders are not due until the end of the unit, and so if you look at the bottom of this binder, it's not due until October 7th. That's a long time from now. However, I'm going to look at the various assignments in here before it's due to check them. So for example, the first work is due this Friday, 9/11, and I will take a look at your thing link. So what you want to do when you're hyperlinking is you want to highlight the text and you want to push Control K, which then is going to open up this text box. In here, then you're going to copy and paste the URL to whatever you're sharing with me. So for example, here you're sharing with me the URL to your thing link you created. Here's the major thing you need to make sure. You need to make sure that I can see the URL. So one way to check that is to log out of all your stuff and check the URL that you just sent me to make sure that it's made public and not private. So a lot of you have seen thing links that are both that are marked private, so I can't even see them that are here. What you can tell that is done properly, let's say it's just going to remember this from what I did before. There's my URL. I push apply, and it turns the text into a link. If you hover over that link, you can preview what that hyperlink is going to look like. Now I'm going to unlink this just so you don't all see that there. But you should have each of these tasks in here hyperlinked, and that's how I will be checking the work for that section. Again, in that task card, you can then find all the directions for what you need to do for each of those various things you are adding to your binder. So for this week, week 1, all you're adding to your binder is the URL for your thing link. And again, do not paste it down here. You need to hyperlink it to the text here. So it's easy for me to click. I don't have to copy and paste it into my address bar. And it's easy for everyone to do.